Have you been to one of the oldest and biggest zoos in Japan? Located at Tennoji Park in Osaka Prefecture, Tennoji Zoo was opened in 1915, marking 2019 as its 104th year. Its 11-hectare site houses about 1,000 animals of 200 different species up to date and is the only home to a New Zealand kiwi bird all over the Japanese archipelago. Stepping in and out of Tennoji Zoo is like teleporting. Why? Because although the zoo is located in the middle of a busy city, they use the method of habitat environment, which means that they recreated the place to make it as similar as the animal's natural habitat. And if you're one of those who are on the constant hunt for Instagrammable places around Japan, Tennoji Zoo also has reserved some fun spots for you to enjoy.